How to write a strong LinkedIn headline. First of all, log into your account and go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the Me tab, then select View Profile. Next, click the pencil icon next to your current headline. Start by clearly stating your professional role or expertise. Instead of just listing your job title, try to include what you do and how you add value. For example, instead of marketing manager, write marketing manager helping brands grow through digital strategy. After that, consider adding keywords related to your industry. You can also highlight your specialties, certifications, or achievements in a concise way. Make sure your headline is clear, professional, and attention grabbing without being too long. LinkedIn allows up to 220 characters, so make every word count. Finally, review your headline to ensure it accurately represents your professional brand and appeals to your target audience. A strong LinkedIn headline can help you stand out, attract recruiters, and open doors for career opportunities. Now you know how to write a strong LinkedIn headline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.